If you want to quickly crop an image in Figma, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Cropping images in Figma is super useful when you want to clean up a layout, focus on a specific part of an image, or make your design look more polished without leaving the app. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Figma tips and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and find the image you want to crop. Before anything else, you need to select the image layer itself. You can do this by clicking directly on the image on your canvas or by selecting it from the Layers panel on the left. Once the image is selected, look up at the top toolbar. You should see the crop image icon there. This is the quickest way to enter crop mode. If you prefer, there's also another method. You can simply double-click the image. That will also take you into crop mode, which is helpful if you like using shortcuts and want to work a little faster. Either way, once crop mode is active, you'll see blue handles appear around the image boundaries. These handles are what you use to define the crop area. Now drag the blue handles inward or outward to adjust the frame around the part of the image you want to keep. If you only want to show a certain section of the photo, this is where you fine-tune it. Be careful not to rush this step, because small adjustments can make a big difference in the final look of your design. You can crop from the top, bottom, sides, or corners depending on what part of the image needs to be visible. After setting the crop boundaries, you can also reposition the image inside the frame. This is important because cropping is not just about resizing the box around the image, it's also about choosing the exact part of the image that stays visible. Just click and drag the image inside the crop area until it looks right. This lets you center the subject, remove distracting edges, or improve the overall composition. Once you're happy with the crop, press Enter on your keyboard to finish. That confirms the crop and applies it to the image. If you made a mistake, you can always go back and adjust it again, so don't worry if you need to refine it a little. Figma makes this process really easy and non-destructive, which is great when you want to experiment with different layout options, and that's it. You've now learned how to crop an image in Figma in just a few simple steps. Select the image, open crop mode from the toolbar or by double-clicking, adjust the blue handles, reposition the image, and press Enter to lock it in. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.